back. A little spirited drive. This battery charger. Wait for a little bit. Let's see if XHP is ready to be installed. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and look for the little connection piece for my OBD2 plug. Be right back. All right, I have the OBD2 cable, and now I just need the little piece that goes on top of this. We have it charging. It's about what, 60%. I get back, we'll install XHP, and then take this car out and see how well it rides.
A few moments later.
All right, so after messing around a little bit, I had to disable the JB4, and yeah, then it started working. All right. Rev matching